Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2005 Bobcat S185 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, talk about anything that I see, then we'll do the operational video, start it up, move it forward, backwards, load her up and down, bucket in and out. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer or a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video. It's an easy way for you to find all of our inventory. We're putting these videos up as these machines come in, and it helps other people who are looking for equipment also find our videos. So like I said, this one's a 2005 S185 OROPS, sticks and pedals, power BOBTACH, weight kit, pre-emissions KUBOTA diesel engine, 3,756 hours. Like I said, this one has the power BOBTACH. It works. My uncle actually used this one the other day to load up some hay. He put probably half an hour or so on the machine. He didn't have any issues with it. I checked these pins a little bit ago. There's a little bit of play in them, but not much at all. Not near as bad as some of them. As you can see, some of this paint here is peeling off, which is pretty common on these loader arms. It starts peeling on these edges, but the white paint, as you can tell, is nice and bright. It's pretty clean back here on the frame. As you can see, it's got the wider tires on it. They're getting a little down on tread. There's some life left, but they are getting a little more wore down. Take a look at the rims. The door is nice and straight. The orange paint is faded like they are on a lot of these, but the door's not all banged up. Doesn't look like they've backed into anything. That top shield up there is pretty straight. Same thing over here, paint peeling just a little bit around the edges, but that paint is nice and bright on this side as well. Same thing, it's not all scratched up back here on the frame. Tires match on this side. The bucket is straight. It's not really bowed or wavy. It does have a little spot there where they've welded something on it, but it doesn't look like there's a crack all the way through because it doesn't come to the front all the way. I'll try to get close to it so you can see there. Not sure what they did. And it looks a little rusty because we just pressure washed it off, and it was bare metal underneath there. They were using the skid steer right up till the day they traded in. It was a local trade-in. Hydraulics are strong. Take a look inside the engine here. Like I said, pre-emissions KUBOTA. Get up close to everything here. It's nice and dry inside here. A little bit of dust, but no oil or diesel running down the block. Inside of the door is nice. This one does have the optional weight kit, so technically these are supposed to be 1,850 pound lift capacity, but with the weight kit they say they're 1,950 pound lift capacity. So it does have 3 weights in there. Go take a look inside the operator station. Everything's nice up here. No cuts or tears in the seat. Everything down here is good. Both your sticks are in good shape. Jump down in here. $37.57 on hours. So yeah, they've probably about a half hour to an hour is what they put on it loading hay the other day, because it was $37.56 when it came in. Like I said, that step's good and straight. Power BOBTACH. All right, like I said, this one's a 2005 S185. We'll get right into an operational video.